Tell me.
Sir, based on your experience, I mean, I am a BTech student, so will they ask question in depth or will they ask some basic
They will
backing term?
they will not ask questions relating to your engineering very much, but broad ideas like that. You saw that civil engineering boy. He was
Yes,
asked
sir.
about the projects and also projects in his state and also college project. Like that, they can ask question. So
Uh,
I will make it as your interview is going to be there. I will try to ask questions relating to that, and they will not ask very deep questions in ECE and all. I know some questions you cannot answer, like say what are the famous companies in ECE, who are the famous personalities in ECE. They have
yes.
not asked these questions so far, but at least you must know some of the major companies, ECE companies. You just Google and search and get to know.
Yes, sir. I have gone through them, but sir, I mean, I'm all okay.
No. And first of all, you have confidence. Are you satisfied with a clerical job? First, tell me.
Yes, sir.
Then you try for this sincerely. भगवान को प्रार्थना करके try करो. Otherwise, you would not have come to me in the last minute. आपने तो आ
Yes.
गया. So इसलिए you go with confidence and clarity. Now this interview will be more or less like your real interview. At least 40% of the questions I am asking will be asked there.
Okay, sir.
Now, Mr. Dev,
Yes.
please tell me about yourself. Now, just a minute. Yeah, it's recorded. Continue.
Um, Good evening, sir. Myself, Devashish Chokse. I am from Sagar, Madhya Pradesh. I have recently completed my graduation from IPS Academy Indore in ECE branch, and I have done my schooling from Sagar, Madhya Pradesh. On my personal front, in my family, I have my mother and two elder sisters. One is working in SBI and one is working in IT. And due to my inclination in learning programming languages, I have learned Python and SQL. So that's about me, sir.
Yeah. Here, instead of telling IT, you tell the name of the company also. No problem.
Okay.
That will be better. Yeah. Otherwise, more or less, okay. More or less, you are able to tell about. If they allow you to talk, you can tell about your strengths and your ambition for joining bank also. That one you can
Yes.
tell if you have time. Can you try?
Sir, I can, sir, but I haven't mentioned them in the introduction because it will become lengthy.
अच्छा
So
ठीक है
I
ठीक
want
है.
to
Okay, no
make it
problem,
short.
no problem. First class. Now, please, yeah. What is your father?
Sir, my father is a lawyer.
Acha, is he a
Uh,
criminal
he passed
lawyer?
away.
I'm
He
sorry.
passed away last year due to COVID.
Oh, then you should tell my father was a lawyer.
Yes. Oh, sorry, sir. That
He was a lawyer. When did he pass away?
in 2021, sir.
I'm very sorry. Very sorry. What was the, he was a criminal lawyer or a civil lawyer?
Civil lawyer, sir.
Okay, who is the union minister for law?
Uh,
I know you may not
y-
be ready with answers for this.
yes,
Mm,
sir. Union
Union
Minister of Law.
Union Minister of Law. Union Cab Kiran Rijiju. Kiran Rijiju is the cabinet minister for law, and you must know the names of all union ministers to a large extent, especially ministers from Madhya Pradesh. Sindhia is from your place, na?
Yes, sir.
So ये सब आपको पता होना है. So you must know about union ministers list major. that is Defense Minister, Home Minister, Prime Minister, for you, Law and Affairs Ministers, then MSME Ministers, Finance Minister, Agriculture Minister, ministers from Madhya Pradesh, you must know.
Yes, sir.
Then you must know the state cabinet of Madhya Pradesh.
Okay.
That you must know about it. Which bank are you having account?
Sir, I am currently having account in State Bank of India and AU Small Finance Bank.
Acha, AU Small Finance Bank. Where is its headquarters?
Sir, its headquarters in, I think it is in Mumbai.
No, no,
No, sir.
no. Google. I think it is not AU Small Finance Bank headquarters. I think Bengaluru or something.
It is Jaipur.
जयपुर ना देख लिया
Yes,
हाँ
yes, sir.
इसलिए आपको पता होना है दुलेश्वर गार्डन अजमेर रोड जयपुर गुड do you have any other small finance bank in Madhya Pradesh headquarters? No,
No, sir.
I don't think so. Good, very good, very good. Madhya Pradesh Indore is famous for what?
Indore is famous for his. Hello, sir. I'm not
Hmm.
able to listen.
Hello, are you able to listen to me?
Hello.
Are you able to listen to me? Are you able
Hello.
to are you able to listen to me now?
Yes, yes, sir.
Yeah,
Now it is clear. I think my
yeah,
net is not working.
yeah. I know net is slow for you, and also here also it is slow. Morning, everybody is using it here. That's the reason. Acha. Now tell me what is the importance of speciality of indoor? How far is indoor from your native place or
Sir,
college?
Indore is situated from my hometown. Indore is situated around 400 kilometers, and Indore is basically famous for its for its temples, like temples and palaces like Rajwada Palace and Khajrana Mandir, which is devoted to Lord Ganesh ji. And Indore has recently got awarded as sixth consecutive cleanest city of India.
See, actually, you can say Indore can boast of rich history of rapid industrialization. Indore is
Okay.
famously known for its cotton handloom industry, magnificent palaces and temples, street food, night markets, and more. So, iska bare mein, you please get to know something from your what is that Wikipedia.
Yes, sir.
You please study about Indore. And now you are staying in your college or in your home.
Sir, right now I'm in my hometown.
Why? What happened? Your college exams are over?
Yes, sir. My college exam are over. Only practicals are left.
Only practicals are left. Very good, very good. So you are doing ECE. How do you
Yes.
think you will fit into as a job of a clerk in a bank?
Um, but I think it's a challenging job for me as I've come from ECE background. But it will be a honor for me to so can I say that like that key it will be an honor for me to do that job
No, no, not
and
that
that
way. See, normally we suggest like this. See, while studying in engineering, I have learnt about interpersonal behavior, group behavior, leadership styles, problem solving, time management, and also I am a creative person. I enjoy taking responsibilities. I am also interested in helping people, and all these qualities will be very much useful as a clerk in a bank. I want to talk to people. I will communicate to people. I will convince them of the products of our bank. Like that, you should try to market your skills.
okay, sir.
Yeah, next one after this one, after this thing. In your college, how many people are studying in ECE?
Sir, my class strength consists of 40 peoples.
Acha, good.
So
How
this,
many of them have got placed? Have you got placed already?
yes, sir, I am placed in TCS,
Oh, great.
but
You are
but
awaiting
I
for orders. No?
yes, sir,
What is the package they have given for you? TCS?
3.5.
You can tell about this because that will add merit to you,
Yes, sir.
and they will ask, why do you want to come to bank instead of going to TCS?
Yes, sir.
Tell.
Mm, sir, I think uh,
Never use the word I think, maybe, can be, I will try. These are very weak words. You should not use them.
okay,
You should always use positive words.
okay, sir.
Tell me.
Sir, sir, due to the recent ongoing recession in the IT industry, I think banks are the suitable jobs for everyone, and they provide job security and environment which everyone thinks, and bank job are considered as a reputed job in our society. So I think I should switch over bank over IT.
See, actually, instead of telling negative about IT, you can tell banking industry is a growing industry and is offering a good lot of job opportunities, and the it is expanding more, and the career growth is very good. On the contrary, IT industry has been having more ups and downs and causing uncertainty in the career of the employees. So I would like to prefer to, and above all, in IT, in banking industry, we are dealing directly with customers, and we will get immediate job satisfaction on rendering good customer service to people. And though if you tell like this, immediately they will ask you, TCS has not sent anybody outside so far. Why do you fear like this? Yes, sir. TCS is the only company which has not sent any people out for on account of recession. However, I am of the view that my career will be better in banking. So my sister is also working as a assistant manager in State Bank, and I am desirous of getting promoted as an assistant manager in our federal bank, and to further work as manager in and higher positions. Okay,
Okay, sir.
good. What is
Sir,
savings bank account?
um, sir, I mean, sir, can we explain in our own words? I mean, what
You can
they will
you can tell in your own words, no problem. What is savings bank account means? You have to tell the features of the savings bank account. What is
okay.
RD account means you have to tell what is an RD account. Like that. Tell.
I mean, sir, I mean, they want to listen some technical words, or I mean, I just can only say 2, 3 points about the savings account.
No, whatever you know, you try to tell me. I will give you my suggestion.
Okay, sir. Sir, 1 minute, sir, to think. So savings bank account,
See, first, I think you are having lot of fear in your mind.
sir, actually, sir, I haven't prepared much because of the chaos. My bus got cancelled, and I have to just rush up everything, pack all the things, and then turn towards. So I am just panicking.
But
I
this will
know I have, sir, I
no, no,
have
but
gone through.
doesn't matter. You take down these questions, and for them you prepare. First one, tell me what is a savings bank account. The answer will be Savings bank account is an account which can be opened by an individual or 2 or 3 people, and the minimum balance differs from the location on the branch, but location of the branch. On opening our savings bank account with, say, Aadhaar card and PAN card, bank will give us a passbook and also a checkbook and also an ATM card. The ATM card, we can use it for withdrawing funds and also for online transactions. And we can use ATM card with the personal identification number, PIN. And the savings bank account, there are restrictions on number of withdrawals, say 50 withdrawals for 6 months. And when it exceeds that, charges are being levied by bank. SB account, the bank is paying interest of 3.05% per annum interest. 3.05% interest per annum. Savings bank account can be operated from any other branch of the bank also. I mean, we can deposit money into our account in another branch of the bank using the core banking solution services provided. And for savings bank, we are offered, say, mobile banking and internet banking also. Something like that. This will do. So then you must know. Now, this is the example for this question. Further questions that can be asked for you. Number one, what is a current account? What are the features of current account? What is the difference between savings account and current account? What is a fixed deposit account? What is a recurring deposit account? You must tell minimum fixed deposit, minimum 7 days, maximum 10 years. Then recurring deposit, minimum 6 months, maximum 10 years. Like that, all that you should study. You should get to know and tell. Then you should know about classification of deposit as demand deposit, SP account, current account. You must also know classification as time deposits, recurring deposit and fixed deposit. Then you must also know about what is a demat account. You must also know about gold loan. Then you must also know about auto loan, then home loan. Then they will ask you, are you willing to be posted anywhere in India? You have to say anywhere in Madhya Pradesh, North India. You should say yes, because you know Hindi. You can be posted anywhere, but mostly they will post you in Madhya Pradesh. Okay.
Okay.
And
Yes.
then they will ask you, will you not go to public sector bank? If you are selected, you should say, I will not go to public sector bank. I like serving in a federal bank, because federal bank is considered as a 63rd greatest place in Asia to work. Please go through the website of federal bank to know about the awards they have received.
Yes, sir. I have gone through. They
Yeah,
have
very,
received the
very.
best
Then,
workplace
then,
award.
then the next question they will ask you is, what do you know about Federal Bank? You tell about Federal Bank was started in the year so and so by Kopi Hormes, and then now the present managing director is so and so. Headquarters is in Aluva. Its total deposits as on 31st March is this much. Advances is this much, and the profit is this much. That there is one paper given in the material given to you. Have you seen that?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have seen.
Yeah. So please prepare for that, and also tell about the awards they have received. Tell also about the corporate social responsibility they are doing. Then you will also tell, on account of these reasons, this is what I know about Federal Bank, same answer. Why do you want to join Federal Bank? That is also same answer, more or less. Okay.
Okay.
It is a growing bank, so I would like to join Federal Bank, and I am confident of my career being very good in Federal Bank. Okay.
Yes, sir.
This is what you will tell. Then there can be some stray questions like, say, what are the uses of black lead pencil?
Okay.
Tell me.
Blacklit pencils.
It can be used for, say, a writing, drawing. It can be used as a time pass. You can go on be screwing it with a screwer and also make it sharpen. And then it can be used for putting thread along with that. It can be used to measure our strength by adding so many pencils and breaking it. It can be used as an advertisement on top of it. It can be used as a gift to somebody else. It can be used to, say, scratch our back, scratch our head, scratch our ears, and like that. You should think creatively and speak. It
Okay,
can
okay,
be
sir.
used as a market piece. I can sell it in the market and make profit.
Okay.
Then next question will be, say, how will you, come on, sell the pen, sell this mobile phone. So whenever you are speaking about it, you should tell the plus points of your product and the offerings you can give to the customer for that, and try to sell the, you should talk with happiness. Sir, this is a very unique pen and it is coming, it's a ball pen and it can write for 1,000 pages at one time and it will not get dried even if you don't use for a few days, and it comes in very different colors and the price is very competitive, and that too when you are going to buy in bulk from us, say in, say, hundreds, then we will give you 25% discount. Like that you should speak.
Okay, sir.
That is how it should go. Then what are your hobbies?
Sir, in this hobbies question, can I keep it short or I have to explain? I mean, just
It is for you to decide. Whatever you have in mind, you tell me, I will correct it.
okay, okay, sir. Sir, in that hobbies, hello,
Hmm,
sir, your voice is cracked.
hmm. Yeah, tell me.
Yes, sir.
What are
I
your
love,
hobbies? Hobbies.
um, sir, I love traveling and working out. So, I'm just getting panic, sir. Sorry.
No, no, you should say, I like exercising. I go for walks frequent, I mean, every day. And then they will ask how many kilometers you walk. You say, I walk 2 kilometers every day. Then they can tease you by asking, hey, you are studying in engineering college, where will you get time for going for walking? Yes, sir, I will allot time and go for walking. Then apart from that, I enjoy listening music. I also am trying to be of help to people wherever I can. By whenever I am in my native place, I try to teach neighbors' children for, so for, say, their classes up to sixth class, seventh class, something like that. You should try to speak good about you,
Okay, sir.
and also you can say, while staying at home, I also do some gardening, and I help my mummy in keeping my house neat and clean. Something like that. Thoda baat karna.
Okay, sir. Sir, how to start that conversation? I mean, if they ask what are your hobbies, so I just start like this. Ki my hobbies is to or just ki I love traveling and exercising, and apart from that, when I'm in my native place, I teach neighborhood children like this.
Yeah, you can tell, but then they will ask details like, say, exercise. I mean, walking means how many kilometers you walk. Then
Yes, yes,
your teaching means which class teachers, children are you teaching? Because it should not be as if you are telling a lie.
yes, sir.
Then
Definitely.
try to frame answers in your mind and then tell. Otherwise, you go with your own answer. Nothing wrong.
Okay, okay,
Okay,
sir.
tell me what is the current affair news today.
Sir, Yes, sir. Recently, sir, I have gone through the news about the Manipur violence, which is taking place in the northeastern part of India, which we all not are aware of. And sir, I need to explain the full. I mean, I just can't
No. In fact,
tell the headlines.
I would suggest you are not telling about Manipur violence. Not required. You can
Okay.
tell 10th May elections has taken place in Karnataka for assembly.
Yes.
224 seats are there, and the major parties are BJP and Congress. They are contesting, and then any Madhya Pradesh news, anything important, you can tell. Any scheme introduced by your Shivraj Singh Chauhan or
Yes, sir.
then your other ministers, you can tell about that. And yeah, Bhopal tragedy, when did it take place?
Sir, in the year 1984, 4th
No.
December 1984.
Hmm? Bhopal tragedy, which year?
In the year 1984.
What is sure? I am having
Yes,
in
sir.
my I am having in mind as I'm not sure. I don't want to commit it.
No, yes, sir. It's 2 December 1984.
Mm, 1 minute. It took place on
2 December 19.
Bhopal tragedy. Very good. 1984. Good. Congrats. You told correctly. What was the cause?
Sir, because of the ammonium gas which got leaked and which widespread in the whole city and which caused various deaths, and even today some victims are still suffering from that.
See, actually, the reason is methyl isocyanate leak.
Okay, okay, sir.
Methyl
Methylations.
isocyanate, it's a chemical accident. Methyl isocyanate leak from Union Carbide India Limited, and nearly 3,700 people died, and about 60,000 people claimed, and also no, non-fatal has been injuries to 5 lakhs 58,000 people or 6 lakhs people. Okay,
Oh, yes,
very
sir.
good, excellent. What is important of Madhya Pradesh to India?
Sir, mainly MP, sir, mainly the wheat is being imported. Sorry, wheat is being. I mean, wheat is the main crop of the cultivation in MP, and it is exported to various parts of countries. And I can tell about the monuments and more and more. So
It is not exported. It is being sent to other parts of the country. Export means to other countries.
yes, sir.
Good. More or less, you are being able to manage the questions nicely. Go with a positive hope. You are going to get easy questions. Go
Okay, sir.
through go through that 2022 interview questions asked in banks. Just go through. Then they will ask simple questions like, what are the functions of Reserve Bank of India? Who is the governor of Reserve Bank of India? What is repo rate? All those things you know,
Yes,
na? What is
yes, sir.
reverse? What is reverse repo rate? All these things you should know, and you should answer with confidence. Best wishes. God bless you.
Sir, one more question, sir.
Mm.
Sir, what if they ask about the inflation? So should I tell them the
No,
definition of
no, right. What is inflation? Inflation is a rise in price of goods over a length of
period
time.
of time?
And
Yes, sir.
right now, in the month of March, the inflation was to the order of 5.66%. It is less than the maximum limit desired by Reserve Bank of India. Reserve Bank of India wants 4% plus or minus 2. That is 2% to 6%. It is now well within this.
Okay.
So that is why in the month of say uh, April, the repo rate was not revised. It was not revised, and our share market is also doing very well now. Recently, 2 days back, it increased by 700 points. So you should go through Bombay Stock Exchange Sensex as of today, National Stock Exchange Sensex of today, what is Federal Bank share price, what is the
Yes.
total market capitalization. All these things you please get to know.
Okay, okay, sir.
Best wishes. You should also know how many customers, that is 1 crore 61 lakh customers, then 1300 plus branches, 1300 plus ATMs, 500 plus cash recyclers. Everything you must know.
Okay, okay, sir. I just
Best
get
best
everything.
wishes. Go attend the interview with confidence. Send me the list of questions they are asking you. I will post this video in YouTube and give it to you. After downloading, tell me. I will put it into private. Nobody else can see it.
Okay, sir.
And after, in case you succeed in the selection, then we will use it in the uh, group. Okay, after your selection.
Okay, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you
Best
so much,
wishes.
sir.
You listen to this video once, twice, so that you will know what are all the questions you should prepare. Also, go through the questionnaire I have given you to know type of questions that are asked to you.
Okay, okay, sir. I just get through everything.
Best wishes. God bless you.
Thank you so much.